During a certain period, the cost of living index number goes up from 110 to 200, and the salary of a worker is also raised from 350 to 600. Does the worker really gain, and if so, by how much in real terms? That is the question. Let us start our answer. Cost of living index in base year. Base year is the first year. Okay, so it is equal to 110 according to the question. Cost of living index in current year, that is the present year, so it's 200. Salary of the worker in base year, so beginning of the year, the first year is 350. Salary of the worker in current year, that is the present year, 600. So these are the numbers. We'll have to utilize the formula. Real wages for base year is equal to money wages in base year divided by cost of living index in base year multiplied by 100. So in place of money wages in base year, we will write down looking above 350. Cost of living index in base year is 110. So 350 divided by 110 multiplied by 100. We will cut off 0, 0. Now 350 into 10 will be 3,500 divided by 11. So if we solve it in the rough work, we will be getting 318.18. Now the next step, real wages for current year is equal to money wages in current year divided by cost of living index in current year multiplied by 100. So money wages in current year will be 600 according to the above we have written down, which is from the question, and cost of living index in the current year is this one, 200, which is already from the question. So 600 divided by 200 multiplied by 100. Now 2 zeros and 2 zeros, numerator and denominator, will cut it off, and 2 3s are 6, we will cut it off. So the remaining 3 into 100 equal to 300. That will be the answer. So looking at the answers for real wages for base year and real wages for current year, the answer for real wages for base year is 318.18, and the real wages for current year is 300. So during the base year it was 318.18, but again during the current year it's only 300. So thus we can say that even though the money wage of the worker had increased from 350 to 600, 350, from that it is increased to 600 for the worker, his money wage, but his real wage has fallen from 318.18 to 300. So if we deduct 300 from 318.8 in the rough work, we are getting 18.18. So this implies a loss of rupees 18.18 in real terms. So instead of gaining, the worker is at a loss of rupees 18.18. Okay, the question is asking whether he really gets gain or not, and if it is gained, by how much. But he loses, and he loses by 18.18.